Welcome to homework.
This is the answer, to chapter 22, problem number 51 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. This problem asks us to draw the organic products formed in each of these reactions. This is another super long problem, so I'm just going to jump into it. Okay, so for A, we're using thionyl chloride. So we're going to replace a carboxylic acid with the acid chloride. Okay, for B, we're using a secondary amine, and so we're going to make that secondary amide. Or, pardon me, the tertiary amide. Secondary amines make tertiary amides. Okay, so okay. For C, we are using a Grignard reagent starting from a nitrile. And so our product is going to be a ketone okay. Oops. I added one too many carbons. So let me fix that. Right. There we go. Okay. So that's going to be our product. I suppose I should move it down while I'm at it. All right. For D, we are using a carboxylic acid and an alcohol and some sulfuric acid. And so we're going to get the ester here. And so our ester is going to look like this. Okay. So for E, we have an amide, and we are treating it with base and water. And so that's going to hydrolyze our amide. So we'll get the acetate ion, and then we'll also get the part that comes from the amide, which is going to basically look like this. Okay. Moving on to the next page. So we have a lactone here in F, and we're treating it with some aqueous acid. And so we're going to open that lactone up. So the left ring is not going to be affected by this process. And then the right ring is going to look like this. Okay. So then for G, we're starting from an alkyl halide, and we're using sodium cyanide followed by water and base. And so that is going to add the nitrile in step 1, and then we're going to hydrolyze the nitrile in step 2. And so we end up with this. And so that is our product for G. For H, for some reason, we're doing this 3-step reaction. So we're starting from carboxylic acid. We're using thionyl chloride. So that's going to get us to the acid chloride. Then we're using a primary amine. So we're going to make a secondary amide. And then we're treating that amide with lithium aluminum hydride followed by water. And so we end up with just the amine. And so that is going to look like this. So 1 carbon, 2 carbons, then our nitrogen with a hydrogen on it, and then the 4 carbons that we added in step 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. So there's the final product for H. For I, we are going to make an anhydride here. And so our product is going to look like this. Okay, and then lastly for J, we're starting from an anhydride and we're using excess primary amine. And so we are going to end up acylating the amine. So we're going to end up with this. Okay, and we're also going to end up with this. So carboxylate ion there, acetate ion, and we will also make some of this ammonium ion. Okay, so that's the answer to J. Yeah, and so that's the product of all 10 of these reactions, and that's the answer to chapter 22, problem number 51.